Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of Facebook ads. So previously this is the place where we have left. So now I will show you how to create ads. So directly go to ads manager, just go and type out ads manager, and this first step what you see, Facebook ads manager, just click on this. Okay, so after that you will be taken to this page which is Facebook for business, and you just have to click on this button which says go to ads manager. And over here it will give you the your name, which is account name, then the identity, then the status, whether it is active or disabled, whatever that is. It will give you the statistics. Just click on this tab what you see on the top left and click on the ads manager. Okay, so after that it will be taking you to this dashboard where you can create your campaign. So basically whenever you are creating a advertisement, that advertisement is basically divided into three categories. Initially the main heading what we have is campaign, then inside of the campaigns we have the ad sets, and inside of the ad sets we have the ads. Okay, so this is how your ad is divided. Let me just explain you this concept with the help of the diagram. Okay, so this is the diagram with which I could explain you all. So first of all we have the campaign, and inside of the campaign we have the ad set, and inside of the ad set we have the ads. Okay, you can create multiple ads inside of the ad set. So first of all let me just tell you one thing. If suppose my main campaign or main objective of ad is driving traffic to my website, like suppose let me just take example of myself. If suppose I want to conduct a webinar on web development, I will just make an advertisement saying that I want people to attend my web development webinar. And in order to attend that webinar, my main objective is conducting a webinar. Okay, so that will be the main heading over here, or my main motive to conduct a webinar. And inside of that I will have the ad set. Okay, so now when it comes to the ad set, I would like to conduct a webinar for a college student, or school student, or graduates, or undergraduates, or people who are working. Okay, so all those category stuff will come under the ad set. Then again we have something like the ad. Okay, I can run ad for in the form of videos or in the form of image, which we will see in the future, but as of now this is the best way by which I could distinguish this. So each campaign correspond to the single advertising objective, like the driving traffic. As I've said, I would like to drive traffic for my webinar. Then you can set a budget and schedule for each of your ad set, and organize each set by audience segment. Like you can just divide it according to the age group. Like suppose you can if suppose you want to conduct webinar for people in the age range of 15 years to 20 years, then the 20 years to 25 years. Okay, so this is how you can divide it, or you can even divide the audience based upon the gender, like the male, female, etc, etc. And again when it comes to the ads, ads could have the images or videos. Okay, so this and it could even have the text, links. Okay, so all that will coming under this ad. You can just further divide those ad set based upon these criteria and the categories. Okay, we will see that in the future in our next classes, but as of now, for your understanding, this is the best way by which I could explain you all this concept. Okay, so this is the dashboard of your Facebook ads manager. And few things which I would like to tell you all is, you just have to click on this create, and we will be creating our ads, which I will show you afterwards. But one thing that is important over here is your payment. Okay, as long as you are not integrating your payment option, you won't be able to conduct your ads. So now let me just show you. I think it comes under billing. You have to add at least one payment method, because as long as your payment method is not been linked, you won't be able to run your ads. Okay, so as of now we don't have any billing information. Let me just go back. Okay, so just click on this buttons over here and click on settings, add account setting. Then just click on this payment settings. Okay, so after that you just have to come over here and say add payment method. And from either of these options like the UPI, net banking, Paytm, or a debit or credit card, you have to transfer some money over here. I think the minimum balance required over here is 500 rupees. You can just transfer money over here, and only when you transfer money, then only your ads will be shown. As long as you don't pay your payment, your ads won't be shown. Minimum balance this Facebook manager should have is 500, and I want you guys to just transfer 500 only, because sometimes as a beginner, whenever you are making the advertisement and all, by mistake you tend to violate some these rules and all, and your ad account might get banned. Okay, so to be on the safer side, just start with 500 rupees, and later on if you want you can add money whenever you want. Okay, but to be on the safer side, don't add too much of money like 5,000 or 10,000 like that. Just add 500 rupees, the minimum requirement, and start making your advertisements. And just let me just go to my ads manager. Okay, so over again, now back on our dashboard. So this is the place from where you could create your campaigns, and if you want to duplicate this campaign and all, just select it and click on this duplicate, and it will be getting duplicated. And next is this edit button, the edit option what we have. You can just turn any campaign on or off. Okay, so I will show you how to do that in the future, but for your understanding, this is just brief intro. And if you want to delete this campaign, just select it and click on this delete, and it will be gone. And there's some of the other options which we are as of now is not in need of. And there are a lot many other options also. If you're just going to the side by side, then you will see the results up to how many number of the people you have reached, how many impressions you have got, like how many people have seen your advertisement, then how much of money you have invested. Okay, so money that is spent, that will come over here, and it will show you when it has ended, or whether it is still going on or not. It will show you all the details over here. And over here you will see whether your ad is delivered, whether it is active or whether it is not active. All that details will be shown over here. Okay, so I will show you guys all those things in the future, but as of now, as a beginner, this much is enough for you all. In our next video, we will learn something new about the Facebook ads. Thanks for watching.